What's the meaning of bourgeoisie? Bourgeoisie. Bourgeoisie.
Bourgeoisie. Bourgeoisie. The term bourgeoisie refers to the social class that emerged during the modernization of Europe in the late medieval period, characterized by their ownership of property and capital, as well as their occupation as merchants, manufacturers, and professionals. They were distinct from the aristocracy and the proletariat, and their rise to power marked a significant cultural, economic, and political shift in society. Today, the term is often used to describe those who hold wealth and power in capitalist societies, often at the expense of working-class people. The concept of the bourgeoisie has been a major theme in Marxist theory, which argues that it represents a class that exploits and oppresses the proletariat.